Hey now, this is Glenn Hoffman from Kitchen Solvers. Today we are going to discuss the many benefits of refacing your kitchen cabinets. But first, let's start by showing you exactly what refacing means. Here is an example of an older kitchen that definitely needs a makeover. First, let's remove the doors and the moldings. Now, let's zoom in to have a closer look at the cabinet's rails and stiles. We'll add a new veneer to cover the exposed cabinet. We can add a flat veneer or a raised panel to the side of the cabinet. Now it's time to install beautiful new doors. At this point, we could add matching crown molding as well as handles and knobs. Let's zoom out to get a better look at our new kitchen. Wow, what a transformation! Here's a quick look at the original kitchen. Back to the new kitchen, and you can see the power of refacing. You should now have a better understanding of refacing, so let's talk about the many benefits. The first benefit is that refacing is less expensive than remodeling. You are only purchasing doors and veneer instead of full cabinets. You don't have to pay for those ugly garbage bins that would be sitting in your driveway. The cost to ship should be less than that of cabinets. Finally, you can save thousands by keeping your existing countertop, assuming you want to. The second benefit of refacing is a quicker turnaround. It should only take 3 to 5 weeks to order and install new doors, while remodeling will take 8 to 12 weeks at least. The third benefit is refacing is more convenient. You can access and use your kitchen during the refacing process. It has less of an impact on your entire home, meaning you won't have bulky cabinets sitting around for days and you won't have dust and dirt spilling all over the house. The fourth and final benefit is that it's much less complicated. We don't have to go through the dreaded bureaucracy and cost of pulling permits. There should be no major electrical or plumbing modifications, and this will save you money as well. We're not exposing any new areas of the floor, and we're not taking down or cutting holes through any of the walls. Hopefully you can now see that it's a much less complicated process than remodeling your full kitchen. To conclude, you should now have a much better understanding of exactly what refacing is, and you should understand the many benefits that refacing has over traditional kitchen remodeling. If you have any questions about cabinet refacing, please don't hesitate to call me at 561-569-2211 or email me at glenn.hoffman@kitchensolvers.com. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day.